Assalamu alaikum. You can show the tent.
Hey Shahid.
Beautiful nest.
Yes, we have some international Malangs. And your name, please?
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Shahid is watching you right now.
Thank you.
And
I hope you are well wherever you are.
yes, and he is happy to see you in the tent.
It gave us a lot of freedom. We are really grateful.
You are very present here in Skardu.
Yes. And good to see you, just you are utilizing the tent.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Look where we are.
Yeah. They are in the nature.
It's not only nature, but like beautiful.
Yes.
beautiful place.
And they're enjoying the tent which you have given
And
on behalf
also
of Tango.
your company.
Yeah, thank you. And we will be
You showed
visiting.
the brother.
Yes.
Saklan.
Saklan, and we have Abbas, Shahid's brother.
Yeah, choose the best site.
Yeah. So thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah. Thank you.